Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to book on Klook. If you're planning a trip and want to book activities, tours, or experiences, Klook is one of the easiest platforms to use. From attraction tickets to transportation and guided tours, Klook helps you organize your travel plans in one place. To begin, open your browser or download the Klook app. Once you open the platform, you'll be asked to search a city or choose from the given options below. After you select a city, you'll choose how you want to explore that city. When you pick and select the three options, it will personalize the platform for you. Now click on the hotels section, then select your preferred dates as well as number of participants. Here, select the hotel you want to book for your stay. You can use filters to narrow down results. Once you've selected your preference, see all the information provided below and make sure it aligns with your interest. After selecting the details, click Book Now. You'll be taken to the checkout page. Before that, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already. On the checkout page, enter your details if required and proceed to payment. Klook supports multiple payment methods, so confirm your payment to complete the booking. After payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation. You can access your booking anytime in the booking section of your account. Some activities allow instant confirmation, while others may take a short time to process. To summarize, booking on Klook involves signing up, searching for activities, selecting your preferred option, completing payment, and receiving your ticket or confirmation. Once booked, you can simply show your ticket and enjoy your experience. And that's how to book on Klook. By following these simple steps, you can easily plan and reserve activities for your trips anywhere in the world. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.